This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
I guess I gotta change this. You'll see it's dripping, it's rotted right there. He wants me to change the faucet too. I gotta change this while I'm here. This is gonna be changed. I got the water off downstairs. Oh, this thing is sweated on right there, see it? What I'll do is I'll take this out. There's any water. Drain in the bucket. I get another one of these. Said I gotta change the faucet anyway, so put in the faucet they bought. Alright, open up the water tank downstairs, dump some water down there. Steaming like crazy there. Cut this off if I can. Don't want to burn the wall. You can see where it was leaking right there. Alright, I cut it to fit and then I reamed it out so it'll slide over the copper. And clean it good. There's copper in there, see it? Got some flux on there. Gotta make sure you slide the flange on. Looks about right there. We'll heat it up and give it the solder treatment. I don't want to burn the wall, obviously. Let that cool, and we'll do is we'll shut it off after it cools and we'll turn the water on, make sure it don't leak. Should be fine. No, you shouldn't have to.
Okay.
Alright, so we got a new valve on. I did put a new faucet on. I just got this faucet with these. That's a weird thing. Faucet's changed out too, so no leaks. You know, these new faucets have got these long supplies on them. I mean, it's just weird.
When I looked at that box, I was holy mackerel.
It's a Delta. That's good. I mean,
It's all flexible stuff now.
well, that's what you would bought. Would you buy that online?
Yeah, I just went for the